Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this video looks at the 4 document managers in Office Online that are tied to individual applications. They are the Word Document Manager, the Excel Document Manager, the PowerPoint Document Manager, and Microsoft Forms, that document manager. These 4 document managers are almost identical to Microsoft Office Home that was covered in another video. In fact, they are the Office Online version of the Windows application home ribbon in the backstage view. So as you can see, the online version running in a Firefox browser is pretty much identical to the version of Word running on Windows. And what these online document managers do is help the user focus on one type of document. Because in Word, for example, all the documents are Microsoft Word documents. Unlike Office Home, they don't include Excel, PowerPoint, and other types of Microsoft documents. They only have one type: Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations. But they contain, in the Recent tab, recently opened and recently created documents, and the Pen tab is for the favorite list of favorite documents, and then Shared with Me is documents others have shared with the user. And like the Office Home, they contain a sidebar that launches various applications and document managers and allows users to create documents. But unlike the Home Document Manager, they offer an additional way to create new documents, and that's with this column, this new column across the top. And all the document managers have it, and it's exactly the same as was in the Microsoft Windows version of these applications. And you simply click one of these, either a blank one or one of the template ones, to create a new document, and it's going to be created in the same browser tab. And a second one, as I go back, a second difference between these 4 document managers and the Home Document Manager is that when you click Upload and Open, it opens the same dialog. However, it only lists documents that particular document manager that can be uploaded to that particular document manager. So for example, I click that in Word, and so all that you see in that folder we covered in the video that was for the Home Document Manager is 2 Microsoft Office documents. If I do the same thing in Excel and click this and go to that folder, you only see the spreadsheet that I put in, and I'll launch the folder itself. And I'm using this in Linux Mint 20, by the way, you see all the different documents that are in that folder. But when you go back to the upload or open dialog for Excel, you only see the Excel spreadsheet. And so you just simply make sure the desired one's selected and click open, and it uploads it and then opens it in the same tab. And so that's the overview of the 4 different document managers that are tied to individual applications in Office Online. This video has been about the 4 document managers that are tied to specific applications in Office Online. To learn more about Office Online and other Office applications, watch the other videos on the OS College YouTube channel and click subscribe to receive notifications for future videos. There are also videos, articles, and web pages about different Office applications on the OS College website. OS College has a Facebook page and Twitter account, as well as several other social media sites. Thank you for watching.